Does your car feel outdated compared to the tech you see everywhere today? In this video, I'm breaking down 5 car gadgets for 2026 that upgrade how your car looks and feels. From ambient lighting and digital displays to smart customization tools, these are all about visual impact and everyday enjoyment. You'll see a mix of practical upgrades and some seriously eye-catching tech, especially the number 1 pick. Kicking off number 5, look at how this small cylinder completely changes the vibe of your car's ceiling. It fits right into your cup holder and projects a starry sky effect onto the roof while releasing a fine mist into the air. The visual alone feels super calming, especially at night. Some versions even activate automatically when the car starts moving, so it feels hands-free and seamless. Tap the top to switch between light modes or adjust the fragrance output. It helps refresh the air and adds this futuristic glow that makes regular drives feel way more enjoyable. If you like ambient lighting and a chill driving atmosphere, this one's worth checking out. Links in the description. Coming in at number 4, just look at this satisfying B4. This foam cleaner is all about that instant visual cleanup. You spray out a thick, dense foam directly onto the dirty area. Instead of soaking your seats with water, you work the foam in using a brush or sponge. You can actually see the dirt being pulled to the surface as the foam breaks it down, and then you wipe it away with a towel. It's oddly satisfying to use because you get a fresher, cleaner look without hoses or long drying times. Great for quick touch-ups on seats, armrests, door panels, or other fabric areas. If you care about keeping your interior looking clean, this is definitely worth checking out. Links in the description. At number 3, check out how this lighting setup completely changes the vibe of a plain dashboard. This isn't just swapping bulbs. It uses ultra-thin acrylic light strips that slide neatly into your interior panels, keeping everything clean and hidden. Once it's on, you open the app and use the color wheel to adjust the lighting exactly how you want. There's even a music mode where the lights react and flow along with your playlist. Watching the colors move across the dash and doors is seriously satisfying. It gives your interior a modern, custom look and lets you switch the mood anytime. Calm tones for cruising or brighter colors for night drives. If you enjoy a more immersive driving atmosphere, this is definitely worth checking out. Links in the description. Number 2. This head-up display adds a seriously futuristic feel to your dashboard. Watch your speed appear right on the windshield. You place the unit on your dash, connect it to power, and your speed is projected clearly in front of you. It uses GPS-based tracking to display driving information without pulling your eyes away from the road. The color-lit display shifts as your speed changes, giving it that clean, digital look you usually only see in high-end cars. What makes this satisfying is how uncluttered it feels. Instead of glancing down at gauges, your key info stays right in your natural line of sight. It also shows extras like direction and time, all in one compact display. If you like modern driving tech without a complicated install, this one's worth checking out. Links in the description. Taking the number 1 spot, this flexible LED display instantly gives your car a futuristic, cyber-style look. It's a thin, bendable LED panel designed to sit smoothly against your window. Once connected to your phone through an app, you can create scrolling text, simple pixel designs, or looping animations. Everything is controlled right from your phone, and it runs off a basic USB power source. What makes this stand out is customization. Instead of a static sticker, you can change the display whenever you want, show a friendly message, an emoji, or visual patterns that react to music. It adds personality without permanently altering your car. If you enjoy personalizing your ride with tech, this is definitely worth a look. Links in the description. Hopefully, this list gave you a few fresh ideas to upgrade your ride. I've added all the product links and current prices in the description below. If you enjoy car tech and gadget reviews like this, consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.